Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're reviewing a gadget that's part history, part magic and 100% mesmerizing. The Titanic ship model air humidifier with Jellyfish Smoke Ring spray. If you love unique decor meets cutting edge tech, anchor down. This one's a voyage you don't want to miss. This isn't just a humidifier. It's a miniature Titanic masterpiece. From the smokestacks to the deck rails, every detail screams vintage luxury. And check out the matte finish. This PPA-free ABS plastic is both kid safe and chic. At 12 inches long, it's compact enough for desks but bold enough to be a statement piece. Perfect for Titanic fans or anyone craving a nautical vibe. Let's talk specs. The ultrasonic tech runs whisper quiet at 28 dB, humidifying for up to 8 hours. But the real magic? These Jellyfish Smoke Rings. Adjust the ring frequency via remote, slow for zen, fast for fun. Pair it with essential oils and boom, instant spa vibes. Plus the 7/8 color LED lights let you set the mood. Relaxing blue for bedtime, vibrant purple for parties. Auto shut off means no worries if you forget to refill. And yes, you can control it all from your couch. Why you'll love it. 1. Dual action, combat dry air and enjoy aromatherapy. 2. Hypnotic visuals. Those jellyfish rings are pure ASMR. 3. Easy upkeep. The wide tank mouth makes refilling and cleaning a breeze. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: stunning design, multifunctional, kid safe, and those smoke rings? Chef's kiss. Cons: the 250 ml tank needs daily refills for heavy use, and the Titanic theme might clash with minimalist decor. But hey, even icebergs couldn't sink this ship's charm. Who's this for? History buffs, gadget geeks, or anyone craving a zen den? Priced under $50, it's a steal for the wow factor. Drop anchor in the comments. Would you crew this Titanic?